Area 51. The name alone conjures images of hidden truths, clandestine operations, and perhaps even extraterrestrial encounters. Located in the desolate heart of the Nevada desert, Area 51, officially known as Homey Airport or Groom Lake, has captivated imaginations for decades. Originally established as a testing ground for the revolutionary U-2 spy plane during the height of the Cold War, Area 51 has since served as a hub for the development and testing of some of the most advanced and secretive aircraft in history. The base's remote location and tight security have made it the ideal location for conducting black projects, shielded from prying eyes and potential espionage. However, Area 51's true legacy extends far beyond its official military operations. The veil of secrecy surrounding the base has fueled countless rumors and conspiracy theories, most notably those involving UFO sightings and the possibility of captured extraterrestrial technology. The story of Area 51 is inextricably linked to the development of the U-2 spy plane, a Cold War marvel that would forever alter the landscape of aerial reconnaissance. In the early 1950s, as tensions with the Soviet Union escalated, the United States faced an urgent need for intelligence-gathering capabilities that could penetrate deep into Soviet airspace. The U-2, with its ability to fly at unprecedented altitudes, exceeding 70,000 feet, offered a solution. Developed in absolute secrecy by Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works division, the U-2 required a remote and isolated testing ground, far from prying eyes and the scrutiny of the public. Area 51, with its vast expanse of desert terrain and limited air traffic, proved to be the ideal location. The U-2's unusual appearance, coupled with its ability to fly at altitudes previously unattainable, led to numerous reports of unidentified flying objects, igniting the imaginations of those who witnessed these strange lights in the sky. The base would go on to play a pivotal role in the creation of other iconic aircraft, including the A-12 Oxcart, the precursor to the legendary SR-71 Blackbird, and the revolutionary F-117 Nighthawk, the world's first operational stealth aircraft. While Area 51's role in aviation history is undeniable, it is the base's purported connection to UFOs and extraterrestrial life that has truly captivated the public imagination. For decades, Area 51 has been at the epicenter of UFO lore, fueled by countless eyewitness accounts, rumors of crashed alien spacecraft, and whispers of reverse-engineered extraterrestrial technology. One of the most enduring UFO narratives linked to Area 51 is the infamous Roswell incident of 1947. While the event occurred in New Mexico, not Nevada, conspiracy theorists have long believed that debris from the alleged crash was transported to Area 51 for analysis. Despite the government's official explanation attributing the incident to a downed weather balloon, many remain unconvinced. Adding to the intrigue surrounding Area 51 and its alleged extraterrestrial connections are the numerous reports of unusual aerial phenomena witnessed in the skies above and around the base. While skeptics often attribute these sightings to misidentified aircraft, weather phenomena, or even hoaxes, believers point to them as evidence of advanced technologies being tested at Area 51. Perhaps no single individual has done more to cement Area 51's connection to extraterrestrial life than Bob Lazar. In 1989, Lazar came forward with explosive claims, alleging that he had been employed at a top-secret facility known as S4, located near Area 51. According to Lazar, S4 housed captured alien spacecraft, and he claimed to have personally worked on reverse engineering their advanced propulsion systems. Lazar's story quickly gained traction, capturing the attention of the media and the public alike. While Lazar's claims have been met with a mix of fascination and skepticism, his testimony has had a profound impact on the Area 51 narrative. His story has become deeply ingrained in UFO lore, inspiring countless books, documentaries, and websites dedicated to unraveling the mysteries he allegedly unveiled. Over the decades, Area 51 has transcended its status as a military installation, evolving into a cultural phenomenon. The base's association with secrecy, advanced technology, and the possibility of extraterrestrial life has made it a fertile ground for creative expression, inspiring countless works of fiction and fueling a thriving subculture of UFO enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists. Area 51 has been prominently featured in movies, television shows, video games, and literature, often serving as a backdrop for stories involving government cover-ups, alien encounters, and the pursuit of forbidden knowledge. From the comedic portrayal in the 1996 film to the more somber tone of the 2011 science fiction thriller, Area 51 has become a shorthand for the unknown. The Storm Area 51 internet meme, which went viral in 2019, is a testament to the enduring fascination with the base. While the allure of Area 51 and its mysteries is undeniable, it is crucial to approach the subject with a healthy dose of critical thinking. The base's history is a blend of verifiable facts and unsubstantiated claims, and separating the two can be a challenging task. The U.S. government's long-standing secrecy surrounding Area 51 has undoubtedly contributed to the proliferation of conspiracy theories and speculation. The lack of transparency has created a void, which has been readily filled by rumors, eyewitness accounts, and often conflicting information. It is essential to approach claims about Area 51, particularly those involving extraterrestrial life or advanced technology, with a healthy dose of skepticism. While the truth of Area 51's most closely guarded secrets may remain elusive, the base's enduring legacy lies in its ability to spark our imaginations and challenge our understanding of the unknown.